Hi, everyone. Today we're diving into a topic that hits close to home for a lot of us: how to save money on a tight budget. Yep, we're talking about those times when money feels like it's playing hide and seek, but mostly hiding. Don't worry. Whether you are living paycheck to paycheck or just want to stretch your dollars a bit further, I've got 10 proven hacks to help you save more, stress less, and maybe even treat yourself now and then. Ready to start stacking those savings? Let's do this.
Welcome to Personal Finance Cat, where I share my personal take on personal finance.
Hack number 1: track every dollar. First things first, if you don't know where your money is going, it's almost impossible to save. Use a free budgeting app like Mint, YNAB, or even a simple spreadsheet. Every coffee, every bill, every impulse buy, track it. Why? Because awareness is the first step to change. Hack number 2, meal plan like a pro. Eating out is one of the biggest budget busters. By planning meals weekly and cooking at home, you can easily save $100 to $200 a month. Bonus points for using leftovers creatively. Taco Tuesday can totally become Burrito Wednesday. Hack number 3, the 24-hour rule. Impulse purchases are the enemy of a tight budget. Train yourself to wait 24 hours before buying non-essential items. Most of the time, you'll realize you don't need it anyway. Trust me, your future self will thank you. Hack number 4, cut the subscriptions. Do you really need Netflix, Hulu, Disney Plus, and that random meditation app? Audit your subscriptions and cut the ones you don't use regularly. Even shaving off $30 a month adds up over time. Hack number 5, shop with a list and stick to it. Never go grocery shopping hungry or without a list. Those two things combined are like walking into a financial ambush. A list keeps you focused and prevents overspending on random snacks. Hack number 6, use cash for discretionary spending. Try the envelope method. Withdraw a set amount of cash each week for things like eating out, entertainment, or personal spending. Once it's gone, it's gone. It helps you stick to your limits. Hack number 7, embrace the secondhand life. Thrift stores, Facebook Marketplace, OfferUp, there's no shame in secondhand. From furniture to clothes to electronics, you can score amazing deals for a fraction of the price. Hack number 8, cancel auto-renewals. Some companies sneak in fees through auto-renewals. Set a reminder a few days before any subscription or trial ends so you can decide if it's still worth your money or not. Hack number 9, negotiate your bills. Yes, you can negotiate your internet or phone bill. Call your provider and ask for promotions, or say you're thinking of switching. You'd be surprised how often they lower your rate to keep you. Hack number 10, make saving automatic, even if it's small. Set up an automatic transfer, even just $5 a week, into a savings account. When saving becomes part of your routine, it's way easier to grow your emergency fund or stash some cash for future goals. There you have it, 10 real actionable hacks to save money, even when your budget is feeling the squeeze. Remember, it's not about being perfect. It's about being intentional. Every dollar you save is a step toward more freedom, less stress, and greater control over your financial life. If you found this episode helpful, hit that follow or subscribe button and share it with a friend who could use a little financial boost. Thanks so much for listening. Until next time.